Okay, we're back in half guard. We're fighting for the hooks. As he gets his hook, I come under, and I take him down. Now he's cross-facing me to defend my pressure and my shoulder to control his chin. So when I get to here, I like to grab the scruff, and I start liberating out his lapel. Pull that out. Now again, there's this little trough right by his wrist bone, and that's what we're aiming for. So when I pull the scruff out, I want to feed that right over that wrist bone and then feed it to this hand right here. Now from here, I'm going to take this hand and put it under his tricep and feed the lapel to this hand. Okay, next step is to take this elbow across his face and put it on the mat and move his head away, creating all that space so I can put my hand on top of his wrist bone right there. From here, I'm just going to pull on the lapel until I get the top where it's really flexible. Okay. So this is really just pulling on the lapel, and I'm bringing my elbow up. And then this on the wrist bone moves the thumb across the mat. That works. And that's a submission just from half guard.